Hello there, little explorers. Imagine a warm summer afternoon. The birds are singing and the air smells like fresh rain. But high up in the mountains, the clouds have gathered and a great big rainstorm has begun. The rain fell so hard that the little river nearby turned into a rushing, swirling, dancing path of water. And oh dear, near the riverbank, a little kitchen was flooded. 2 pots that were sitting on a shelf tumbled right into the water. Splash, splash! There they were, floating down the river. One was a big brass pot, strong, heavy, and very shiny. The other was a little clay pot, delicate, pretty, and made of fine baked earth. The water was moving very fast. The big brass pot loved it. He bobbed up and down, clanging against the rocks, clink, clink. He looked over at his friend, the little clay pot, who was shivering in the cold waves. "Hey there, little buddy," the brass pot shouted over the roar of the water. "Don't be scared. The river is very wild today. Why don't you float closer to me? Come on, get nice and close. We can hold on to each other, and I will protect you from the big waves. I'll make sure you don't get swept away." But the little clay pot looked even more worried. Her face went quite pale. She began to paddle with all her might, trying to stay as far away from the brass pot as possible. "Oh, no, no, no!" she cried out, breathless. "Please, big brass pot, stay right where you are. Whatever you do, please do not come any closer." The brass pot was very confused. He stopped spinning for a moment and asked, "But why? I'm being helpful. Look at me. I'm big and strong. You'll be much safer if you stay right next to me." The little clay pot took a deep breath and spoke very seriously. "Dear friend, I know you have a kind heart, and I know you want to help, but we are very, very different. You are made of hard metal, and I'm made of soft clay. If the water pushes us together, even if you only touch me gently, or if I accidentally bump into you because of a wave, I will be the one who breaks." She sighed, watching a big wave go by. "For you, it's just a tiny little bump. But for me, it would be a total disaster. I would shatter into 100 tiny pieces. So, to keep me safe, the best thing you can do is keep your distance." The big brass pot stopped to think. "Ah," he whispered, "I understand now." He realized that being a good friend meant giving the little clay pot the space she needed to stay safe. So he paddled to the other side of the river. The 2 pots continued their journey, floating side by side, but with plenty of room in between. They talked and laughed all the way down the mountain, and eventually the water calmed down. Both of them floated gently to the grassy shore, perfectly safe and sound. And that, little explorers, is our story for today. The moral of the story is this: it is wonderful to make friends, but it is also important to know who we are. Sometimes when someone is much stronger or tougher than we are, they might hurt us without even meaning to. True wisdom is learning to choose friends who are a good fit for us and knowing when it is best to keep a safe distance to protect ourselves. Sleep tight, and remember, stay safe on your own great adventures.